Back to the vlog. Events for 2020. We're going into the almost full schedule as previous years with Animaga Oz Comic Con at the 11th and 12th of June at the Melbourne Exhibition Centre. I'll be providing a model competition display small stall in the middle of the event space. The 17th to 19th will be the Australian Open Model Expo at Sanddown Racecourse from a Friday, which is a bit different to the traditional Queen's Birthday Victoria. The Salt Mine Hobby Shop will be in presence, plus around Friday at noon I shall be doing a presentation and discussion on 3D printing in the tutorial cinema section. Now, the Salt Mine Hobby Shop has been open for another year and does business on most Fridays and Saturdays, and sometimes Thursdays, when the sign is present in front of the premises. You're free to enter via the side entrance. We're doing pretty good at the moment with the Ukrainian tractor making massive headways, and I've been very excited to see that downloaded, printed and displayed in multiple countries around the world. If you have produced one of these models, please share it with me, because I would love to see my work in others' collection, even up and beyond trying to make a profit. It's quite a wild thing where your work is being worked by other modelers. I can understand where model manufacturers come from, where they really enjoy and love their job. On the analytics side of the channel, things have been going quite steady and well. With the end of the pandemic, the viewer rate has gone down, but that's because many people were stuck at home and watching, though it hasn't dropped too far and bounced to a fairly stable traction to 2019. I've been putting a lot of work in upping the quality and improving my cuts and editing using Filmora X, which is a fantastic platform and able to have multiple images and utilize and storytell with my video editing to show how the models are built, or teaching in a tutorial fashion. I hope you guys are enjoying it, but there definitely has been an increase in likes and viewer retention, which is the most important aspect to running a YouTube channel for the few that follow me that also does the same on social media. The other social medias are just that, clone copies, but all the links are down below in the description section that you can follow. You'll be lucky to see builds and work in progresses weeks to months before they do land on the channel. I build up a bit of a backlog, and that way I'm able to upload weekly without any stress at all, and it's actually pretty easy running a channel for this long in the way it's been done. Goals and projects to finish up. I would like to have more quality builds by the end of the year. I would like to build 10 Gundams or Mecha kits and 5 resin garage kits, mostly the anime ones. I am still trying to cut my day job to part-time to spend more time developing commissions, doing 3D models also by commission, and running the shop to sustain my income. That would mean I'll stay at home more, I have more fun, create more models, create more content, but it's to bring a big life change and cut a lot of wasted time, clutter and stress from my life. I really enjoy being in the studio, and I find a lot of people who are invited and come to visit me here also do love the space. If you are local to the Melbourne area, check out the Salt Mines on Facebook, and I'll definitely love to see you. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, until next time, stay tuned for further content, and we'll catch you guys later. See ya.